Hello, I'm Gus Cook, an application specialist here at Blue Marble Geographics. Today I'm going to be showing a new feature in Global Mapper Pro version 25.1, the automatic ground control point placement tool. So ground control points are an important method for improving accuracy in photogrammetry. This is a new addition to our Pixels to Points tool. For those of you who are unfamiliar, this is our photogrammetric processing tool within Global Mapper Pro. It allows you to take overlapping images and create a phototextured 3D model as well as an ortho image and high-resolution point cloud output. The benefits of using ground control points in photogrammetric processing is that it allows you to take advantage of the precision of high accuracy GNSS devices and apply that level of precision to your pixels to points outputs. Traditionally, these points needed to be manually assigned to each particular image throughout the dataset. This can take a little while and can be pretty tedious. This has been greatly streamlined in version 25.1 with this new tool that allows you to automatically identify and mark those points within our dataset. So we are currently within our advanced settings dialog within the Pixels to Points tool. Within this dialog, we can apply masks to particular sections of images so they're not considered during our photogrammetric reconstruction, and specify a couple more optimizing settings, as well as adding ground control points. I'm going to select this option here to open up our ground control point placement dialog. And I'm going to add my points from a loaded point layer that's already contained in the workspace. We can see that my points are listed the top left of the dialog here, and all the images where this particular coordinate associated with that point is detected to be overlapping with are listed down here. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to define what our target looks like. Now, the target that you use for ground control points can be a traditional survey marker like this one, but it also can come in other varieties. It might be just a painted X on the ground, and all of those will work with this particular method. I'm going to define my target in the image and place my cursor as close to the center of my target as possible. I'm going to extend this box to encapsulate the entire marker like this. Now I'm going to be prompted to search my other images for this same configuration of pixels. So once I have searched throughout my other images, we have now automatically placed our points throughout the rest of the images for that particular ground control point in our data set. We can see that our first image is highlighted in blue because we manually placed that one, so it's already been confirmed for use in our processing. We can select another image, and we just need to click through now and confirm all of the automatic placements as we go through. Once all of those are confirmed, and we've done this for all of our ground control points in our data set, we can close this dialog, and we're now ready to run Pixels to Points. If you want to learn more about our new automatic ground control point placement tool or any other new feature in Global Mapper Pro, you can visit us at our website at bluemarblegeo.com or send us an email to our technical support inbox at geohelp@bluemarblegeo.com. Thanks for watching.